Hey everyone, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to find the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of the square root of tangent of x divided by the square root of tangent of x plus the square root of cotangent of x by flipping the integration variable's direction. Let's begin by setting x to be equal to pi over 2 minus y. Differentiating both sides, we have dx is equal to minus dy. This allows us to rewrite our integral as the integral from pi over 2 to 0 of the square root of tangent of pi over 2 minus y divided by the square root of tangent of pi over 2 minus y plus the square root of cotangent of pi over 2 minus y multiplied by minus dy. Now we can use the following identity to get rid of the minus sign. All we basically do is swap the limits of integration. Now we can rewrite tangent of pi over 2 minus y as sine of pi over 2 minus y divided by cosine of pi over 2 minus y. And using the following trigonometric identities, we can rewrite sine of pi over 2 minus y as sine pi over 2 times cosine of y minus cosine of pi over 2 times sine of y, and cosine of pi over 2 minus y is cosine of pi over 2 times cosine of y plus sine of pi over 2 times sine of y. Remember, cosine of pi over 2 is 0 and sine of pi over 2 is equal to 1. So we have sine of pi over 2 minus y divided by cosine of pi over 2 minus y is equal to cosine of y divided by sine of y, which we know is just equal to cotangent of y. Now we can do the exact same thing for cotangent of pi over 2 minus y, and we get tangent of y. So we can use this information to rewrite our integral as the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of the square root of cotangent of y divided by the square root of cotangent of y plus the square root of tangent of y dy. Now, if we change back to our variable x from our dummy variable y, and we set our integral equal to I, and we set the integral in blue equal to I, and we add our two integrals, and we use the following integral identity, we have 2i is equal to the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of the square root of tangent of x plus the square root of cotangent of x divided by the same thing, which is just 1, and the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 1 dx is just equal to pi over 2. So we have 2i is equal to pi over 2. We can divide by 2 and we get I is equal to pi over 4, which is the final answer to this problem. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this content useful. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or problems you'd like to see get solved, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you have a great day.